Welcome to Tekon's video training on the application of the protective sealant treatment to glass. This training is designed to take you step by step through the entire process and enable you to restore glass that is water spotted or oxidized, and then how to seal and maintain the glass over time using Tekon's Repellant Wash. The first step in the protocol is to use glass luster, which is specifically designed to remove water spots and oxidation deep down at the molecular level of the surface. If the spotting is relatively light, you can use a 3M Scotch-Brite pad by hand. Simply apply the glass luster to the 3M pad and rub vigorously to remove the oxidation. After removing the oxidation with glass luster, wipe off the excess with a Tek Cloth. If the spotting does not come off by hand, or you want to save some time, you can apply the glass luster with a vibrating hand sander. Simply clip the 3M pad over the sander and apply a generous amount of glass luster. Then move the sander up and down in a straight line motion. After removing the oxidation with glass luster, wipe off the excess with a Tek Cloth. If the oxidation is very heavy, what we call class 2 oxidation, you can apply number 0000 steel wool on top of the 3M pad. Be sure to use the number 0000 grade steel wool, as this is the only type that will not scratch the glass while still being strong enough to remove heavy oxidation. Stretch the steel wool over the pad and then apply the glass luster directly onto the steel wool. Then move the sander up and down in a straight line motion over the glass. After removing the oxidation with glass luster, wipe off the excess with a Tek Cloth. The next step in the process is to apply Empower Daily, which is designed to make the glass completely sterile, to ensure the best possible seal. It will remove any residue, excess fingerprints, and oily deposits that you may not be able to see because they are at the molecular level. You must be sure to have the glass completely free of any contaminants so that the sealant forms precisely into the hills and valleys of the glass without any interference. Next, you will buff off the excess Empower Daily and let the window dry for a few seconds before moving on to the next step. You are now ready to apply the Tekon A sealant. Keep in mind that Tekon A covers 40 square feet per ounce. A little goes a long way. Apply the Tekon A to a Tek pad and apply directly to the glass in a small area at a time. Then allow 60 to 120 seconds, depending on humidity, for the product to dry to a haze. Next, you will apply the Tekon B sealant directly on top of the Tekon A haze. Pour some Tekon B onto a separate Tek pad and apply in a similar fashion as the Tekon A. Now wait another 60 to 120 seconds for the product to dry to a haze. The seal has now been cured and is ready for the final step. To finish the complete sealant process, you will spray repellent wash onto the glass and buff out to a shine. The glass surface is now finished and must only be maintained with repellent wash. Keep in mind that every time you apply repellent wash, it adds more protection and more shine.